Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome to our new session. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of the poem Topsy Turvy Land. Let's begin with question number 1. When do children go to school in Topsy Turvy Land? Dear students, we have discussed that Topsy Turvy Land means where all the things are upside down. So here the question is, when do children go to school in Topsy Turvy Land? Topsy Turvy Land पर children school कब जाते हैं? So the answer is the children go to school at night in Topsy Turvy Land. Usually we go to school at day in our land, but in Topsy Turvy Land the children go to school at night. Question number 2. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? How should it rightly be? Answer. If buses travel on the sea, the boats travel up and down the streets. टॉप्सी टर्वी लैंड पर अगर जो बस सी पर ट्रैवल करती है तो बोट्स जो है वो कहाँ पे ट्रैवल करेगी? वो स्ट्रीट्स में ट्रैवल करेगी. बट बोट्स शुड राइटली बी इन स्टिल वाटर. बट राइटली इन नेचुरली बोट्स कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए? तो नेचुरली बोट्स सी में मूव करनी चाहिए. सो बोट्स शुड राइटली बी इन स्टिल वाटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The topsy-turvy land is very difficult from our land. Let's draw a comparison by filling in sentence wherever needed. Here, topsy-turvy land and our land. 2 columns are given. In topsy-turvy land, we have to write those things which discussed in the poem. But in our land, we have to write those things which we usually do in our land. So number 1, people walk on their heads. Our land, on our land, where do people walk? On our land, people walk on their feet. Number 2, the buses run on the sea. Here in second number, the column, the answer is given on our land. Here we will write the answer on topsy turvy land. यहाँ पे क्या है कि बसेस जो हैं वो लैंड पर रन करती हैं, हमारी लैंड पर. बट इन टॉप्सी टर्वी लैंड वेयर द बस मूव्स, द बस रन्स ऑन द सी. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, they wear their hats on feet. In topsy turvy land the people wear their hats on feet, but on our land they wear their hats on head. In our land, where do we wear our hats? We wear our hats on head. Number 4, boats sail in the sea. Now here we have to write the answer. In topsy turvy land boats run on the street. हमारी लैंड पर यूजुअली बोट्स सी पर सेल करती है, बट इन टॉप्सी टर्वी लैंड बोट्स रन ऑन दी स्ट्रीट. नंबर 5, पीपल पे फॉर व्हाट दे डोंट गेट. इन टॉप्सी टर्वी लैंड पीपल को पे करना पड़ता है बट उनको उनके बदले में कुछ नहीं मिलता है. बट इन अवर लैंड पीपल पे फॉर व्हाट दे गेट. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. The words in the sentences are jumbled here. Rearrange them to make meaningful sentence. What words that begin with a capital letters are the first word of the sentence. Now children, here which words are given, which sentences are given? Words in the sentences are jumbled here. Jumble है जो इधर उधर हो गए हैं. Now we have to arrange them to make meaningful sentence. Number 1, रेनू नॉटी इज़ अ गर्ल. रेनू जो है वो नॉटी गर्ल है. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू अरेंज दिस सेंटेंस. जो फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो कैपिटल है तो वो सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में आएगा. सो हियर वी विल राइट रेनू फर्स्ट. रेनू इज़ अ नॉटी गर्ल. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ नंबर 1. Now second number, untidy room her always is. So here which word is capital here? H. So her we will write her at the beginning of the sentence. Her room is always tidy. Number 3, mother her advises her clean to eat. In number 3 also H starts with capital letters. So her advice, her mother we will write first. Her mother advises her to clean it. Dear students, to make meaningful sentence, remember that first we have to write subject. After subject we have to write verb, and then after verb we have to write object. This is the structure of affirmative sentences. Number 4, never listens she her mother to. She. This word begins with a capital letter. So we write it first. She never listens to her mother. Number 5, kind of what child are you are. Now students, this is an interrogative sentence. So for interrogative sentence, we will write first WH question. So what we will write first? What kind of a child are you? Here we have arranged all the jumbled sentences. Next one, write 5 things that you do at home to make your home look neat and clean. Dear students, if you want to make your room clean and neat, then which 5 things you do at your home? So number 1, I sweep the floor 2 times in a day. अगर हम हमारा घर नीट एंड क्लीन रखना चाहते हैं तो हमें कौन सी 5 थिंग्स करनी चाहिए? तो सबसे पहले तो क्या करेंगे? आई स्वीप द फ्लोर 2 टाइम्स इन अ डे. मैं एक दिन में जो फ्लोर है वो 2 बार में झाड़ू लगाऊंगी. सो नंबर 1 we will write here in this column, I sweep the floor 2 times in a day. Then what you do? Secondly, after sweeping the floor, usually our mother mop the floor. Like पहले झाड़ू लगाएगी मम्मा, फिर क्या करेगी? पोछा लगाएगी. So number 2 we will write, I mop the floor. After mopping the floor, what we will do? I arrange the household things in proper order. हम हाउस होल्ड थिंग जो है उनको प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे, सही जगह पर हम वो थिंग्स रखेंगे. नंबर 4, आई स्प्रे एयर फ्रेशनर इन ऑल रूम्स. देन आफ्टर स्वीपिंग एंड मॉपिंग द फ्लोर, आई स्प्रे एयर फ्रेशनर इन ऑल दी रूम्स. एंड देन नंबर 5, आई वाइप डाउन द मिरर. जो मिरर होगा उसे मैं वाइप डाउन करेंगी. सो हियर these 5 things that we do at home to make our home look neat and clean. Dear children, here we have completed all the exercise of this poem. In next session, we will start a new lesson in unit number 7. Till then, bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.